0, Fidelis Gumisiriza 0, Bategeka Lawrence 0, and Mutabwire 3. Chiruhura 7 voters. Muhindo 0, Kabigumira David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 4, Mary Kamaduka 0, Fidelis Gumisiriza 0, Lawrence Bategeka 0, and Mutabwire 3. We go to Mbarara Rural. 7 voters. Muhindo Ann 0, Kabigumira David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 7, Mary Kamaduka 0, Gumisiriza Fidelis 0, Lawrence Bategeka 0, Mutabwire 0. Mbarara City, we had 15 voters. Muhindo Ann 0, Kabigumira David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 8, Mary Kamaduka 0, Fidelis Gumisiriza 0, Bategeka Lawrence 0, and Mutabwire 7. We go to Mitoma. We had 6 voters. Muhindo Ann 0, Kabigumira David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 2 votes, Mary Kamaduka 0, Gumisiriza Fidelis 0, Bategeka Lawrence 0, and Mutabwire 3 votes. Ntungamo, we had 14 votes or voters. Muhindo Ann 0, Kabagumira David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 5, Mary Kamaduka 0, Gumisiriza Fidelis 0, Lawrence Bategeka 0, and Mutabwire 6. 6 votes. We go to Rubirizi. We had 7 voters. Muhindo Ann 0, Kabigumira David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 2 votes, Kamaduka 0, Gumisiriza Fidelis 0, Bategeka Lawrence 0, and Chamukate Mutabwire 5. Rwampara, we had 7 voters. Muhindo Ann 0, Kabigumira David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 5 votes, Mary Kamaduka 0, Fidelis Gumisiriza 0, Bategeka Lawrence 0, and Mutabwire 1 vote. In Shema, we had 13 voters. Muhindo Ann 0, Kabigumira David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 5, Kamaduka Mary 0, Fidelis Gumisiriza 0, Bategeka 0, and Mutabwire 8. That ends the Ankole sub-region. In Ankole sub-region, we had 124 voters. Muhindo Ann got 0. Kabigumira David got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 69 votes. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Gumisiriza Fidelis got 0. Bategeka Lawrence got 0. Chamukate Mutabwire got 48 votes. Total number of votes was 117. Now let's go to Bunyoro sub-region. We have Bulisa district, 6 voters. Muhindo Ann 0, David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 4 votes, Mary Kamaduka 0, Gumisiriza Fidelis 0, Bategeka Lawrence 0, and Chamukate Mutabwire 2 votes. Hoima district, 7 voters. Muhindo Ann 0, Kabigumira David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 10 votes, Kamaduka Mary 0, Fidelis Gumisiriza 0, Bategeka Lawrence 0, and Mutabwire 2 votes. Hoima City, Muhindo Ann 0, Kabigumira David 0, Jacqueline Mbabazi 10, Mary Kamaduka 0, Fidelis Gumisiriza 0, Bategeka Lawrence 0, and Mutabwire 6 votes. Let's go to Kagadi district. The voters were 7. Muhindo Ann 0, Kabigumira David 0. Mbabazi Jacqueline 5 votes. Mary Kamaduka 0. Fidelis Gumisiriza 0. Bategeka 0. And Chamukate Mutabwire 2 votes. Kakumiro District. Muhindo Ann 0. Kabigumira David 0. Mbabazi Jacqueline 3. Mary Kamaduka 0. Fidelis Gumisiriza 0. Bategeka Lawrence 0. And Mutabwire 4 votes. Kibale, 7 voters in Kibale. Muhindo Ann got 0. Kabigumira David got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 0. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Gumisiriza Fidelis got 0. Bategeka got 0. And Mutabwire Patrick got 7 votes. Chikube District. There were 7 voters. Muhindo Ann got 0. Kabigumira David got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 2 votes. Kamaduka Mary. I should have given them this tally. Can follow it. I was on Chikube. Did that? Chikube, there were 7 voters. Muhindo Ann got 0. Kabigumira David got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 2 votes. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Gumisiriza Cindy, 12 voters. Muhindo got 0. Kabigumira David got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 12. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Phyllis Gumisiriza got 0. Bategeka got 0. And Mutabwire got 0. Total number of voters in Bunyoro was 75. Muhindo got 0. Kabigumira got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 46 votes. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Fidelis Gumisiriza got 0. Bategeka Lawrence got 0. And Mutabwire Patrick got 28 votes. Total votes 74 cast. Let's go to Kigezi sub-region. Kabale. There were 14 voters. Muhindo Ann got 0. Kabigumira got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 9. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Fidelis Gumisiriza got 0. Bategeka Lawrence got 0. And Mutabwire got 4 votes. Kanungu. There were 7 voters. Muhindo Ann got 0. Kabigumira got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 6 votes. Kamaduka got 0. Fidelis Gumisiriza got 0. Bategeka Lawrence got 0. Mutabwire got 0. And total number of voters there were 6. Kisoro. There were 11 voters. The first one was Muhindo. Muhindo Ann got 0. Muhindo Ann got 0. Kabigumira David got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 0. Got 2. Kamaduka got 0. Gumisiriza Fidelis Guma got 0. Lawrence Bategeka Nkoto got 0. And Mutabwire got 9 votes. Rubanda, there were 7 voters. Muhindo Ann got 0. Kabigumira David got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 5. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Gumisiriza Fidelis got 0. Lawrence Bategeka got 0. Mutabwire got 2 votes. Ruchiga, there were 7 voters. Muhindo got 0. Kabigumira got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 5. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Fidelis got 0. Lawrence Bategeka got 0. And Patrick Mutabwire got 2 votes. Rukunjiri, 13 voters. Muhindo got 0. David got 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi got 7 votes. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Fidelis Gumisiriza got 0. Bategeka got 0. And Chamukate Patrick got 5. The voters in Kigezi sub-region total were 59. Muhindo got 0. Kabigumira got 0. Mbabazi Jacqueline got 34. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Fidelis Gumisiriza got 0. Lawrence Bategeka got 0. Chamukate Mutabwire got 22. 56 were the voters or votes cast. Let's go to the Rwenzori sub-region. Bundibujo had 7 voters. Muhindo got 0. Kabigumira David 0. Mbabazi 7. Mary Kamaduka 0. Fidelis 0. Lawrence Koto 0. And Mutabwire 0. Go to Bunyangabu. Bunyangabu, there were 6 voters. Muhindo earned 0. Kabigumira 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi 6. Kamaduka 0. Gumisiriza Fidelis 0. Bategeka Lawrence 0. And Mutabwire 0. Fort Portal City, 12 voters. Muhindo 0. Kabigumira David 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi 1 vote. Mary Kamaduka 0. Fidelis Gumisiriza 0. Bategeka Lawrence 0. And Patrick Mutabwire 11 votes. Go to Kabarole. There were 7 voters. Muhindo got 0. Kabigumira got 0. Mbabazi got 0. Mary Kamaduka got 0. Gumisiriza Fidelis got 0. Bategeka got 0. And Mutabwire got 7 votes. Let's go to Kamwenge. 7 voters. Muhindo 0. Kabigumira 0. Mbabazi 6. Mary Kamaduka 0. Gumisiriza 0. Bategeka 0. And Chamukate Mutabwire 1 vote. Kasese, 14 voters. Muhindo 0. Kabigumira 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi 2 votes. Mary Kamaduka 0. Gumisiriza 0. Bategeka 0. And Patrick Mutabwire 11. Kitagwenda, 7 voters. Muhindo 0. David 0. Mbabazi 4 votes. Kamaduka 0. Fidelis 0. Lawrence Koto 0. And Mutabwire 3. Chegegwa, 7 voters. Muhindo 0. David 0. Mbabazi 5. Kamaduka 0. Fidelis 0. Lawrence Bategeka 0. And Mutabwire 1 vote. Change of the 7 voters. Muhindo 0. Kabigumira 0. Mbabazi 2 votes. Kamaduka 0. Fidelis 0. Bategeka Koto 0. And Chamukate Mutabwire 5 votes. And lastly, Ntoroko, 7 voters. Muhindo 0. Kabigumira 0. Jacqueline Mbabazi 7. Mary Kamaduka 0. Gumisiriza Fidelis 0. Bategeka 0. And Chamukate Mutabwire 0. Total number in Rwenzori were 81, where Anna got 0, David got 0, Mbabazi got 40 votes, Mary Kamaduka got 0, Fidelis got 0, Bategeka got 0, and Mutabwire got 39. Total number of voters were 339. 326 participated in the election. If there's any query before I declare, I should hear the query on the tallying. If there's what I read wrongly, you can raise if your DRA form has something else. Silence means nothing. Declaration of results, NRM primaries for older persons, Member of Parliament representing Western Region, 2025. I, Dr. Tango Doi, being the NRM Electoral Commission returning officer for NRM primaries for the position of older persons Member of Parliament for Western Region, hereby declare results as follows. Name of candidate, Bakazibaga Muhindo Ann. Total votes polled, 0. Percentage, 0.0. Kabigumira David. Total votes polled, 0. Percentage, 0.0. Jacqueline Mbabazi. Total votes polled, 189. Percentage, 58.0. Bashongoka Mary Kamaduka. 0 votes, 0 percentage. Gumisiriza Fidelis Guma. 0 votes, 0 percentage. Bategeka Lawrence Nkoto. 0 percentage. Patrick Shamukate Mutabwire. 137 votes polled. Percentage 42.0. I therefore declare Jacqueline Mbabazi, who has polled the highest number of votes, 189, representing 58.0, as the newly elected NRM flag bearer for older persons Member of Parliament representing Western Region 2025. Signed, Dr. Tango Doi, on 7th October at 4 p.m. I thank you. May I now give the candidates their copies. In addition to the tally, the Mbabazi, congratulations. The camera wants to see you. Smiling. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you. For Patrick. Patrick is around. Mama, just step aside. Congratulations for participating and competing. Thank you. The other candidates, the agents of the other candidates. Any agent for Muhindo? Agent for any agent around? They'll find it in office. May I make any remarks or questions with regard as the candidates can sit? Anything you want to ask me, ask now. The press, you are satisfied? On behalf of the NRM Electoral Commission, I want to thank the candidates for participating and participating ably in this election. I want to thank Mrs. Jacqueline Mbabazi. I want to thank Honorable Patrick Mutabwire and the other candidates for participating up to this level. I can safely say we have done our job as NRM Electoral Commission. I want to thank the staff of the Commission in all the districts where election took place and the voters for participating. I want also to thank the chairman of the party for releasing the facilitation to all candidates in this election. If there is any candidate who is denied facilitation, which was released, was it 720,000 per candidate? It differed.
It's the same.
It's the same. All candidates in the 39 districts, delegates in the 39 districts were facilitated with 720,000. 700 being their pocket change and return journey, and 20 being for the meal. I hope no admin in these districts has paid less. If there's anyone not paid, I should receive that complaint because the chairman facilitated us. I want to thank you very much and wish you a peaceful 2026 election. I want to call upon the people of Western Uganda that the hour of the milk is not white. We need to galvanize our support behind the president, who is also the flag bearer, so that we score. It's not just a matter of oe. It's a matter of everybody getting out to vote. We don't need a percentage less than 98% in Western region. The Western region, the 39 districts, our aim is to score 90 and above in every district for the president. Our goal is to retain power, to make sure that the gains of the revolution, the qualitative gains, are upheld to higher level. So don't just wish anything. Let us not say these candidates are weak, I'll stay home, others will vote. You must go and vote for the president. Lastly, the president is in a tour of the country. He has had massive rallies today in Oyam and another massive rally in Pakwach, which is about to end because the time for election is 6, the campaign is 6. The North is so positive that the East will be more positive. And the West, we shall leave you the challenge. I want to thank you and wish all the other participants, because we have political party participants and competitors, we wish them the best. Thank you.
Ayo kumira TV West channel ya Dr. Tango Doi wanarangira ebyo byone birjiro mu karuru tuza kutunga ibigambo biri nkabishatu.
Thank you.
Nje tugambira ari ebyandigendo misho katunge na munonga Dr. Tango Doi tugambe cyashira umwanya na munonga yatakwasa kucetegereza. Dr. Tango Doi. Yes. We are live on TV West. Just briefly mu bigambo biri bisatu mu Ruganda kicho right tuvo kulangirira.
Well, tulangidde asinze ku competition eno ya older persons. Mrs. Mbabazi yasinze. Jacqueline Mbabazi yasinze. Afunye yo 189 votes. Patrick Mutabwire nafunye 137 votes. Zibade free and fair elections ate ndi musanyifu nnyo lwakuba kati bino biwedde.
N'ekibina kya NRM naddala abo abawagizi b'ekibina kya NRM twandibadde tubakubiriza kinaddala mu kadde kano naddala tulaba entebe zonna naddala primary zonna waliwo obululu obwaddibwamu waliwo obwalangiriddwe tusuubire ekirala ekinaaba bwe kiro bakigwe gusembye naddala mu bululu bwa primaries.
Zino zirabika nti is the last vote.
Okay.
Naye ffe nga electoral commission tetulina buyinza. If someone goes back to tribunal, we shall again come back. But I hope they leave this as the last. Lwakuba tuneyo jane ndala ya president.
Okay.
Kale.
Oyo gwe Dr. Tango Doi tulinkai turiho murembo rwambara. Tya murembo rwambara atebe kikulu kya NRM. Omwanya ogutwine mu bakaneti na munonga tureba bakaneti wa Jacqueline owagwaiza kusinga karuraka. Nyina tumwakina wanje tugambe bigambo bibiri amashemero ngo gaha yahurata mam katwakire nka agent omumba agent bahamba ba Jacqueline na munonga watunge cyandike rizuba urugendo rubero ruta turebe mu kamera iriya
kamaze kusimara hanga munonga ahabwizoberi n'amashemero menji on behalf of my candidate kandi wanta mu BSG akampindura candidate na agent aha mwanya ogu kandi tukagira n'umugisha ikaba yaba niyo yaba taring center ubasa kutunga final results ahi yaba tabasa kwishikira cyo musimira ranga munonga kandi mbanza no kumukubusya ngo akurice munonga kandi ukugamba harugendo of course urugendo rw'akaruru turworobi konka mukama mbasise yarurabam ya meeting aba delegates kandi babasa kwikirizana nawe babasa kumusupportinga kurungera izoba ubundi twatakuche expectinga nkuko kumanya by'akaruru konka twashemerwa munonga kureba buzima ngo abantu batutire mu BSG babasa kutereza ubururu ko kubaturaganise kandi twarabamu twasiga karuraka simba ba agency bagenzi banje na munonga ogo wabshini watera umuhanda akabasa kwija nawe kureba ubururu ku bwagenda.
Okay. Amazina
ni Jova baregire kandi wabari agent w'erizoba ahabwaho narebo Jacqueline Mbabazi.
Okay. Omuntu TV West amazina nsenyo mugina atakuma Jacqueline na nyinda mami otwereke omukamere je cyane oguno mucyara erizoba warangirwa ombutongore munuwe arajwekire na munonga abantu abakirinju omishengero rito rihanga Uganda bakirinju numanya nibabeta ba SGIs na munonga omwishenje ntwatwine makujekire minyeto arikujekira bakirinju arikujekira abantu nkabo erizobo mbutongore bwanyimakire lakimjere oguno yarangirwa omutongwe bwanyuma y'abantu mushanju kuguma besimbira antebe niyemwe abakire no kukirariye bino kwano bitungo mahore gita gacencyire kanga room studio na scan senyumo Gideon aho murembo rambara.